Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parar Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. All of us know this mantra and we chant it with all our heart. But have we ever actually contemplated upon this mantra? What does it say? I think everybody knows the meaning that Guru is Brahma, Guru is Vishnu, Guru is Maheshwara. Guru is all the three aspects of Godhood. And he is actually the Parabrahma. He is actually going beyond. It's everything. And to that Guru we say we are bow down to. And to that Guru we pay our obeisance to. We have the Guru, but we are now looking for the God. The God is bigger than the Guru. And therefore our search kind of continues. And therefore we listen half listening. We listen with ego. We listen with reactions. We have all this coming in because when we are listening, we forget that Guru is everything. We forget that we have come to the Guru, that the Guru has not come to us. And we forget that we are searching for that Guru. How are we reacting to what the Guru says? Because at that point of time, the mind loses the awareness of who the Guru is. When we receive that person, we are receiving it with our ego. And therefore our reactions start. So it ultimately boils down to that old thing that if we are aware at all times who we are with and that we have said, whether we mean it or not, we have surrendered, then how come can there be any reaction? In fact, everything would be a gift. Just imagine you were sitting in front of Jesus or Rama or Krishna or Sai Baba, and if you were being given this gift, how would you react? I'm sure you would react very differently. Why? Because you know you are in front of Sai Baba. Because you know you are in front of Jesus, you are in front of Krishna. And therefore everything you will soak it in. There will be no ifs and buts and murmurs. And so just see how when we remember who we are with, how we receive things changes. How when we forget that, how the mind comes in and starts to. If we can really understand this point, this alone can help you to move beyond. And that how cleverly the mind just keeps creeping in and gets us into that. So it's actually so brilliant if we can remain in the awareness all the time. So know who you are with, and by virtue of that, your ability to receive changes. And when your ability to receive changes, everything goes straight in. There is no resistance. There is no struggle. There is only joy of receiving a gift. And then there is a instant transformation because we are open. That's all that is required.